Chapter 10. Light, Sound and Force. Can you see in a dark room? No, you need light. We get light from candles, lamps, torches and bulbs, etc. We can divide objects into two groups. Luminous objects. Objects that give us light are called luminous objects. Bulb, candle and torch, etc. are luminous objects. Non-luminous objects. Objects that do not give us light are called non-luminous objects. Pencil, book, table and chair, etc. are non-luminous objects. We see non-luminous objects when light falls on them. Thus, light helps us to see things. The sun is the main source of heat and light on earth. Shadow. Light a torch on a table. Now, place a book between the torch and the table. What do you notice? A dark image appears on the table behind the book. This is the shadow of the book. Shadows are formed when an object stops the path of light. You can see your dark image on the ground when you stand under the sun. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the light. The size of shadow changes from time to time during the day. In the morning, the shadow is long. In the noon, the shadow is short. In the evening, the shadow is long. Sound. In our daily life, we hear different types of sounds. The ringing of phone, the honking of horns, the chirping of birds, etc. are different types of sound. Some sounds are soft, while some are loud. Some are pleasant, and some are unpleasant. Pleasant sound, soft sound, loud sound. We like soft and pleasant sounds. We do not like loud and unpleasant sounds. Noise. Sound that is loud and unpleasant is called noise. Too much of noise is bad for our health. We can reduce noise by doing the following. Speak softly. Always play TV and music system at a low volume. Force. In our daily life, we see many objects around us like books, desks and chairs. They do not move on their own. They need a push or pull to move. A push or pull applied on a body is called force. Effects of force are as follows. Force can move a resting object. Force can change the shape of an object. Force can stop a moving object. Friction. Friction is a special force that slows down the movements. When we roll a ball on a floor, it slows down and finally stops. Friction stops this moving ball.